In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project plan in Asana. Getting started is simple, and before we dive into the nitty-gritty of project planning, you need to have an account. So head over to asana.com. Once there, click on Get Started to sign up using either your email or your Google account. For this tutorial, we'll be using the basic plan, which is free. Yes, no credit card needed. This plan is perfect for individuals and small teams just starting with project management. Now, let's take a look at what Asana's free plan has to offer. With this, you get quite a lot for no cost. You can enjoy unlimited tasks, projects, messages, and activity logs, ideal for laying out all your work clearly. There's also unlimited storage, with each file you upload limited to 100 megabytes, allowing you to store important documents and files seamlessly. You can also invite up to 10 teammates into your workspace. This makes it easy to collaborate with others. The plan also provides you with list view, board view, and calendar view options. This flexibility allows you to customize how you view and interact with your projects. Additionally, there's basic search and reporting features to help track progress and simple integrations with tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Outlook, enhancing connectivity across different platforms. Next, let's guide you through setting up your first workspace. Whether you're a solo user or part of a team, you'll start by creating a workspace specific to your needs. Within this workspace, you can set up different projects. For instance, you might have a marketing plan, a content calendar, or even a set of personal goals. Within each project, you'll develop tasks and break those further into subtasks to ensure every detail is covered. When it comes to organizing your projects, Asana's views can really help structure your work. Even on the free plan, you can switch effortlessly between list view, which is your traditional task list, board view for those who prefer a Kanban style board to manage workflows, and calendar view, which allows you to see tasks plotted out by their due dates. These options help you keep track of deadlines and visualize your work without the need for premium features. Now, collaboration is key to project success, so let's delve into that. You are equipped to add up to 10 teammates and assign tasks to ensure everyone knows their responsibilities. You can also add collaborators to specific tasks so others are kept in the loop with updates. Plus, within each task, you can comment and upload files directly, making task-related communication straightforward and context-rich. I hope this guide helps you get started with project planning in Asana. Give these features a try and start organizing your projects like a pro.